West Bengal voter list revision. What's really happening? In the months leading up to elections, one question becomes crucial. Who gets to vote and who doesn't? In West Bengal, that question is now at the center of a major controversy. The Election Commission is carrying out a special intensive revision, or SIR, of the electoral rolls. So far, nearly 58 lakh names have already been removed, and now another 6 lakh voters may be deleted. Why? Because around 6.25 lakh voters did not appear for verification hearings even after receiving notices. The Chief Election Commissioner himself stepped in. He expressed serious displeasure over how district magistrates handled the process. His clear instruction was this: no genuine voter should be removed, and no foreigner should be included. This matters because district magistrates also act as district electoral officers. Any lapse directly affects electoral integrity. For a UPSC aspirant, this news is extremely important. It links directly to the role of the Election Commission, free and fair elections, and center state administrative coordination. With assembly elections due soon, the final voter list to be published on February 28 could shape the political future of the state.